Hello children, now first class mathematics. Which chapter? 12th chapter. Introduction of tens from 10 to 100. Introduction of tens from 10 to 100. So say spelling children. 10 spelling: TEN 10, TWENTY 20, THIRTY 30, FORTY 40, FIFTY 50, SIXTY 60, SEVENTY 70, EIGSTY 80, NINETY 90, HUNDRED 100. So already learn the spellings children. So now which page? Page number 95. Page number 95 take out children. In there exercise problems is there children. So that exercise problem to B question. Count the grid. Write the correct number in the big box given below the grid. See here children. How many boxes having here? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 boxes are there. So that's why writing here 20. They are writing here 20. Next one here. How many grids are there? Count the grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here writing 10. So are you observed children? Here that small one, this one 10 only. This also 10. 2 tens having means 20. Here also same like that only. Let's count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So total how many having boxes? How many grids having? 30. So are you observed children here? In each line 10, 10 having. So how many tens having here? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens means 30. Say 30 spelling children. THIRTY 30. Say all of you 30 spelling. THIRTY 30. 10 spelling. TEN 10. 10 spelling say children. TEN 10. 20 spelling. TWENTY 20. 20 spelling. TWENTY 20. Next bit. C bit. Count the beads in each chain. Write the correct number in the last column. Write the correct number in the last column. Here chains of beads. Here giving number. See here chains having. In that chains too beads also is there. Some small beads. So how many beads having here? Count children. Count children. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this chain having how many beads? 10 beads. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 10. So children are you observe here? One chain how many beads having? 10 beads. So here how many chains having in that first line? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains having. So how many chains having? 4 chains having. In one chain to 10 beads. So 2 chains to how many beads? 20 beads. 3 chain to 30 beads. 4 chain to 40 beads. So total how many beads having? 40 beads having. In that second box, see children, here also chains are there. So how many chains having? Here. Observe. In this chain too, how many beads having? Once check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So many? 10 beads. One chain to 10 beads. So are you observe children? One chain, 10 beads having. So here how many chains having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chains having. So 5 tens. 5 tens means how much? 5 tens. 50. 50. 5 tens means 50. Says 50 spelling? F-I-F-T-Y 50. 50 number? 5050 only? Okay, good children. Next one. See here. In third box 2, how many chains are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chains are there. So in each chain to 10 beads only. 6 chain means how many beads? 6 tens means how much? 6 tens means 60. 6 tens means 60. Here in next box, fourth box. Fourth box, how many beads having? So in each chain to 10 beads having. In each chain to 10 beads having. Fourth one. So here how many chains having? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So how many chains having here? 7. So in each chain to how many beads having? 10 beads. So 7 chains means how many beads? 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. 70, 70. 7 tens. 7 tens. Next one. Here last one. How many chains having here in that last box too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many chains having in last box too? 9 chains having. So 9 tens means 90. 9 tens equals to 90. So write children this. Are you understand? Okay, good. These spellings also you learn children. Next bit. Look at the tens. Match one of the correct number. See here 10 plus 10. So 2 tens only. 2 tens means 20. Next here 3 tens plus 1 10. 3 plus 1 how much? 4. 4 tens. 4 tens we are having. 4 tens means 40. Here 40. Are you understand children? Next here 4 tens plus add 1 10. 4 plus 1 how much? 5 only. 4 tens plus 1 tens means 50. 50 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. Next one 7 tens. 70 plus 10. 70 plus 10. 70 means 7 tens plus 10. So here 7 tens, here 1 10. So total how many tens? 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. We are having 80 here. So match it. 8 tens. Next one 80 plus 10. So in 82 how many tens having? 8 tens. 8 here 1 10. 80 plus 10. 8 tens plus 1 10. 8 plus 1 9. 9 tens. We are having 9 tens. The same line only 90. Match it, children. Okay, are you completed? Good. Next one. Next bit, E bit. Look at the tens in each row. Write the correct number in the blank spaces. Here 10, 20, 30. So after 10, after number 20, 20 after 30. So here adding 10, 10, 10 only. So 30 after 40, 40 after 10 added 50. So here 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, like that only. Next one here 3 tens only. 30, 40, 50. After 60, after 70. So here also 10, 10, 10, 10 adding. Here third one you observe, children. Here 20 having, here 40 having. How much adding? 2 tens. 2 tens means 20 adding. 20 adding only. 2 tens here having, again 2 tens adding. 2 plus 2 4. So 40. Here 4 tens plus 4 plus 2 6. So 60. Here 6 plus 2. 2 tens only. Add 2 tens. So 6 plus 2 8. 8 how many tens? 80. Here also plus 2 tens. 8 plus 2 9 10. So 10 tens means 100. 10 tens means 100. Next one here 10 30. See here how much adding? 10 plus how much? Here also adding 20 plus 20. 10 plus 20 30. 30 plus 20. 3 plus 2 5. How many tens? Here 3, here 2. 5 tens. Okay. Here also 5 tens plus again 2 tens. 5 plus 2 7. 7 tens. 7 tens plus 20. 7 tens here 2 tens. 7 plus 2 how much? 9. 9 tens. 90. So are you understand, children? Write all of you. Write all of you. Okay, children. In next topic, in next class 2, I will explain. Okay, children.